tasks, slow down operations, and increase errors. With D365 Finance and Operations, you can automate AP data entry, approvals, and period-close workflows. We start in D365's AP invoice capture. Instead of manually entering invoices, the system automatically scans and reads invoice data. Click Invoice Capture to open D365's AP Invoice Capture. Select Captured Invoices to view invoices that have been received and read using the Invoice Capture tool. Here's a list of captured invoices that were received and read by the system with no manual input. Let's take a closer look at Invoice 10101. The system intelligently extracts key details from the invoice, eliminating data entry errors. Click on the I icon to view the invoice number field read from the AP invoice document. You can also click on the I icon to view the purchase order read from the AP invoice document. And here's the invoice amount, captured and validated against existing records. Once we confirm the details are accurate, we finalize the review by clicking Complete Review. This process can be fully automated, enabling a touchless AP workflow. Now, let's transfer this invoice to the D365 AP module, where it's ready for approval and payment. Click on Transfer Invoice to transfer the invoice to the D365 AP module. Now that the invoice has been captured and transferred, let's see it in the AP module. Click on Open Dynamics 365 to view the AP invoice in D365. Here's the invoice in D365, fully processed, without any manual entry. You can click on the invoice number to view the invoice details. You can drill into the details, verify amounts, and move straight to approval and payment. With D365, everything you need for closing the books is in one place, organized, automated, and assigned. To begin, we'll click on Financial Period Close to view our Financial Period Close tasks. Tasks can be structured by company, function, and assigned team members. Let's look at the tasks for USMF. As you know, closing isn't just about checking boxes. Some tasks must be completed before others. D365 lets you create dependencies, ensuring a smooth workflow. Click here to view more options. For example, let's set a dependency between tasks. Click on Set Dependency. Open the Accounts Payable node. You can set dependencies between tasks on this screen, or click Cancel to close out of this screen. Each task on the list has a hyperlink, which will take you to a specific screen to complete the task. For example, click the Stop Period task. We can now put a period on hold with a click. Visibility is key during close, so let's check progress by functional area. To view status of tasks by area, click on Status by Area. We're going to look at how accounts receivable is progressing. We can also track status by individual, ensuring accountability, by clicking on Status by Person. By clicking on their name, we can see a specific team member's assigned tasks. For a high-level view, the full task list shows the entire list of tasks for the financial period that is being closed. As you can see, the screen shows the entire task list for the financial period being closed with due dates and person responsible, leaving nothing to guesswork. Ready to simplify your financial processes? Book a call today with one of our experts at Velosio to learn how D365 Finance and Operations can save you time and improve accuracy.